What's up guys, this is Harvey from Tech Wrap, and today we're going to show you how to wrap a car hood nicely. First step is setting the stage nicely. This means for best results, you want the environment to be 16 to 23 degrees Celsius. Alright, now cleanliness is king. Grab a broom and sweep away any dust or debris to ensure there's no dust particles that are going to lay onto the car and affect the overall look and performance. Now that comes to step 2, which is prepping your car. So grab a measure tape, measure the hood, and then cut a piece of vinyl that is slightly larger than the actual size itself to allow for easier maneuvering during the install. Then after that, it's time to remove the emblem. So grab some masking tape to avoid any scratches. Just ensure after removing, you remove the masking tape as well. In order to have a squeaky clean hood, clean the hood thoroughly with car cleaning solution and a microfiber towel. Now if you want a silky smooth surface, grab a clay bar to make the surface extra smooth and then dry everything thoroughly with another microfiber towel. Degrease for better grip. Wipe the entire hood with degreaser to remove any oils or residue that might affect the vinyl adhesion. Slip and slide in a good way. Apply a light, even coat of slip solution to the hood. This is going to help us move the vinyl around during installation. And then you degrease the edges again for better hold. Masking for the better. Apply masking tape to the top corners near the windshield and optionally on the sides as well. Now step 3 is getting the vinyl ready. Ideally, it's best to have a partner to work together on this with you for a surface as large as this. Double the trouble, double the fun. Now sometimes a color can be directional, so when you're cutting out these shapes to install accordingly, all you gotta do is flip the vinyl over, take a look at the logo over here, ensure it is one direction, and you're good to go. And now you're gonna lay the vinyl on the hood of the car, and when you're trimming the material, ensure around the edges that there is enough material for later. Now step 4, it's time to finally wrap. Divide and conquer. For large areas like the hood, we'll tackle it in sections. Let's focus on the left side first, then mirror the process on the right, or the other way around if you like. Then you heat it up, hold the vinyl lightly off the surface and use a heat gun to gently warm it. This relaxes the material and makes it easier to work with. And then you shake it out. Once the vinyl is relaxed, give it a gentle shake to even out any remaining tension before hooking it down to the surface. Start from the front, use a squeegee to firmly press the vinyl onto the hood, then progressively working our way towards the windshield. Move on to the other side and repeat for it until both are done. Time for some edge magic. Now let's focus on the front edge. Gently lift the vinyl and squeegee it down along the edge. Now you apply heat along the edge back and forth. Because of the memory effects of the vinyl itself will shrink and suck to the edge perfectly. Then use a finger to tuck the vinyl underneath. Repeat for a perfect seal on the edge for both sides. Now step 5, it's time to trim the excess. You gotta cut like a pro. Always start trimming from the corners for a clean finish. Use a finger to seal the vinyl after each cut. Cut away the excess material on the flat edges. Now for relaxed cuts, since the vinyl is relaxed enough, we don't need to leave a lot of extra material to tuck underneath. So feel free to aim for a flush cut to the edge. Now it's time to inspect your car hood properly. So have a look. If there's any bubbles or wrinkles that might be hiding, and then you grab a heat gun and just softly heat up the sides and corners to ensure the finish is flawless. And there you have it. Your car hood is now complete, sporting a new look with this vinyl. So enjoy the ride and show off to your friends.